My child, stop for a moment. You did not open this video by accident. Out of everything you could be watching right now, you are here, listening to me. That is not luck. That is me calling you. I know things have been heavy. I know you have smiled in front of others while carrying something inside that no one else can see. I know the nights you have laid awake, staring at the ceiling, wondering if I even hear you. I know the prayers you have prayed so many times that you've started to whisper them instead of speak them out loud because you're tired of asking. I want you to know, I have never once looked away from you. Not for a single second. Not on your worst day. Not on the day you stopped believing I was listening. You have been praying for a breakthrough, for a door to open, for a bill to be paid, for a body to be healed, for a relationship to be restored. Maybe you've been carrying guilt over a decision you made years ago, and you wonder if it's too late to be forgiven. Maybe you've been watching everyone else's life move forward while yours feels stuck in the same place. And maybe it feels like heaven has gone silent. But silence is not absence. I have been working behind what you can see in rooms you are not yet allowed to enter. Think of Joseph, thrown into a pit by his own brothers, sold into slavery, forgotten in a prison cell for years for a crime he never committed. If you had asked him in that cell whether I had abandoned him, he may have said yes. But every single day in that pit, in that prison, I was writing a story he could not yet see. A story where he would stand before a king and save the very people who betrayed him. I'm not finished writing your story either. What looks like a pit right now may be the very place I'm preparing your palace. Today, I say to you, what looked delayed was never denied. The waiting season you are in is not punishment. It is preparation. I am aligning people, doors, and moments right now that you cannot yet see. Before this season ends, you will look back and understand why I asked you to wait. The very thing that feels like it's breaking you is the thing that is building the testimony you will one day give to someone else who feels exactly like you feel tonight. Remember what I've already promised you. For I know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. And again, weeping may stay for the night, but joy comes in the morning. These words were not written for someone else, in some other time. They were written for you, for tonight, for exactly where you are sitting right now. So hear me clearly today. The financial pressure you are under is about to lift, and provision is coming from a place you did not expect. The relationship you have been praying to restore will see movement. Be patient a little longer. The health concern weighing on you and your family will not have the final word. The career or business door you thought had closed for good is not the only door I have for you. The peace you have been begging me for, I am releasing it into your spirit right now in this very moment. But my child, I also need you to release the bitterness you've been holding against those who hurt you. Stop punishing yourself for what you couldn't control. Stop believing the lie that you are too far gone, too broken, too late for me to use. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. You are not disqualified because of your past. You are not forgotten because of your silence toward me. You are mine, and I do not throw away what is mine. Take a breath right now. Just breathe. Let go of what you have been carrying for so long that it has started to feel normal. You were never meant to carry it alone. That is why I sent my son. Not so you would perform for me, but so you could rest in me. I'm not far from you. I'm not disappointed in you. I'm not done with you. Every tear you have cried in secret, I've kept in a bottle. Every prayer you have whispered under your breath, I've heard as clearly as a shout. You are not too much for me, and you are not too little for me to notice. So today, I declare over you, this is your season of restoration. This is your season of open doors. This is your season where what the enemy meant to destroy you with becomes the very testimony that sets others free. Receive it. Do not talk yourself out of the very thing you have been praying for. If you believe this message was meant for you tonight, type "I receive it" in the comments below. If you know someone who has been carrying a silent battle, send this to them right now. You may be the answer to their prayer tonight. Let someone else scrolling past this see your faith and be encouraged too. Go in peace, my child. Carry this with you. You are seen today, you were spoken to today, and you are loved completely, without condition, without an expiry date. I am with you. I always have been, and I always will be. If this touched your heart, like this video, subscribe so you never miss your daily message. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today.